Graco, the brand preferred by pros. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a serious DIY enthusiast, a handyman or remodeling contractor, or a painting professional, Graco makes the ideal airless spraying equipment to meet your needs. Whether you are just starting out or moving up, choose the Magnum or Graco model to help you handle your job with ease. No matter what you're painting, entire homes, rooms, decks, or fences, Graco has you covered. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Adjustable speeds. Dual speed adjustment gives you 2 speeds to spray. Low speed for small detail work and high speed for larger projects to complete faster. Number 2. Sprat paint unthinned. Stainless steel piston pump allows you to spray paint unthinned at high pressure. Operating temperature range changes in paint viscosity at very low or high temperatures can affect sprayer performance -40 degrees to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 3. Spray in any direction. VacuValve technology creates an airtight system allowing you to spray in any direction, even upside down. Number 4. Recommended use. Annual use recommendation is up to 25 gallons per year. Duty cycle, 50%. Number 5. Ideal for multicolor projects. FlexLiner Bag replaces traditional material cups, reuse or recycle when you're done. Number 6. Continuous spraying. Reversible spray tip allows you to reverse the tip when clogged to keep you spraying. Number 7. Easily store accessories. In handle storage for an extra tip. Voltage. 120 volts. Power cord length. 18 inches. Number 8. Quickly update interior furniture. Easily breathe new life into outdated or tired-looking furniture in your home with a TrueCoat 360 handheld airless sprayer. Easily get smooth, even coverage on all the nooks and detailed areas, and you'll finish in a fraction of the time compared to using a brush and roller. Number 9. Quickly paint interior projects with a quality finish. It's never been easier to update the inside of your home. Using a TrueCoat 360 handheld airless sprayer will save you hours of time compared to brushing and rolling, and you'll always deliver a smooth, professional finish on all of your interior furniture and millwork. Number 10. Refresh your old outdoor furniture. Outdoor furniture can fade and look tired after a few seasons of harsh sun and heavy rain. TrueCoat 360 handheld airless sprayers make staining or painting your outdoor furniture a breeze. Improve your home's appeal while helping preserve and protect your outdoor furniture from the sun and weather. Number 11. Give new life to your garage door. A beautiful garage door can make a statement while setting the tone for the rest of your home. Angled panels and ornate details are no problem when using a TrueCoat 360 handheld airless sprayer. You'll finish this easy project in less than half the time of brushing or rolling, and you'll always get a smooth and even professional finish. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can this model spray stain? Answer. Yes, the TrueCoat 360 models can spray paints and stains that can be cleaned with water or mineral spirits. Check on the back of the can to see what the manufacturer recommends for cleaning, thinning to verify. Question number 2. Can you spray Rust-Oleum oil-based paints? Answer. The TrueCoat 360 sprayers can spray most non-flammable coatings that can be cleaned with water or 100% mineral spirits. Check with the coating manufacturer, typically on the back of the can, to see what they recommend for cleaning. Question number 3. Has anyone used this to paint the exterior brick on their home? Answer. The TrueCoat 360 models are great for projects up to 1 to 2 gallons. After that, it would be far more efficient to use a stand sprayer such as a Magnum Project Painter Plus or Magnum X5. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.